Hello everyone, it's me again Edmund and welcome back to a new tutorials, tips and Windows best technique. In this video, I'll show you how to check the hard disk capacity on your computer using the Diskpart command. So let's get started guys. The first step, you need to go to searching bar on your computer and type this keyword Cmd. And here now the command prompt, just click as run as administrator. And here now the user account control, just click only yes. And now here the home page of command prompt. So the first step, you need to type this command, Diskpart, so all in one word only, and then press enter. And now here the Microsoft Diskpart versions, you can see the in computer and the computer's name here. So another step, you need to type this command, less space desk, right? So and then press enter. And now it will show the hard disk capacity on your computer. So we have here the status size in the pre, and here now the disk 0 online, and I have the consume with 476 gigabyte, and I have only 8 megabyte for free. So another step, we need to type this command to see the partitions. So just type only this select space and there's 0, and then press enter. Right, so this 0 is now the selected disk, and now the next step are we need to write this less space partition, and then press only enter. So it will show here the all the partitions on your computer system. So press enter. And here now the different type of partitions. So we have here partition 1, we have the system, so it will show the size and the offset. And here the partition 2, and it will show here the reserve, and here also the size. And partition 3, the primary, and partition 4, recovery. All right, so for example, for your curiosity, and you need to see the partition 1 for the system, you just only type this partition 1 and then press enter. And here now you can see all the system informations for the system on your computer, so as well as also the another partition 1, 2, 3 and 4. All right guys, and hopefully you will learn again in this simple tutorials for about the hard disk capacity on your computers. If you want to see what inside, or you want more informations about your computer system. So thank you guys for watching. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and click the bell notifications to update upcoming more videos and tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next vlogs.